Welcome back to Bike Lab, where we bring you the latest in the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a machine that promises to redefine performance and innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes this superb bike stand out from the crowd. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 showcases a refined, aggressive design that blends sleek aerodynamics with sharp, muscular lines. The front fairing features new LED lighting and an updated windscreen, giving it a more dynamic, race-inspired look. The tail section has been streamlined for improved airflow, while the overall profile exudes a sense of aggression yet elegance. With its striking color schemes, the 2025 RSV4 is built to captivate attention both on and off the track. Engine and performance. Underneath the stunning exterior lies a powerhouse. The 2025 RSV4 is equipped with a 1099 SCC V4 engine, producing around 217 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorcycles in its class. The engine is paired with a seamless gearbox that ensures lightning-fast shifts, while the new exhaust system improves both performance and sound. Whether you're on the track or the open road, the RSV4 promises exhilarating acceleration and a top-tier riding experience. Technology and features. Aprilia continues to push the envelope with technology, and the 2025 RSV4 is no exception. Featuring a state-of-the-art electronic package, the bike includes a new version of Aprilia's APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, offering enhanced cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and launch control. The 2025 model also incorporates a new TFT display with better connectivity options and more customizable settings, making it easier for riders to tailor the bike to their personal preferences. Handling and suspension. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 remains unrivaled. The bike's revised chassis geometry and upgraded Öhlins suspension ensure a smooth, stable ride, even in the most demanding conditions. Whether you're carving through corners or blasting down a straightaway, the RSV4's handling is precise and confidence-inspiring. The new electronic suspension adjustments also give riders the ability to fine-tune the setup for both track and road riding, providing a perfect balance of comfort and performance. Final thoughts. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is a stunning blend of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a street rider looking for the ultimate superbike experience, the RSV4 is built to impress. With its sleek design, potent engine, and advanced electronics, the 2025 RSV4 is truly a superbike for the modern era. Outro. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4. What do you think of this superbike? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews here at Bike Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.